You know what's messed up? A bird flew into my garage today. Couldn't get it out until it smacked a wall.
Get out! Get out! Go! Oh, no! Get!
That's a big one.
Get up, bird. Get up, bird. Down, down, go down, go down, go down. Get up. Oh, no.
I think it's dead.
No. You know what's even more messed up? They canceled Brooklyn Nine-Nine. They canceled Last Man on Earth too, which I understand because that's a really small sliver of people who that show appeals to. I kind of like it. But Brooklyn Nine-Nine is the only show that makes me laugh out loud right now. The guys, you know, the people who made The Office, left. Made Parks and Rec, left. Made Brooklyn Nine-Nine. It's dumb. They get canceled, and crap like Big Bang Theory gets renewed for like a 12 season. It's dumb. I've got like 23, actually like 34 episodes of Big Bang Theory on my DVR. Deleting them all tonight. It's garbage. But you know what's even more messed up? ESPN right now is showing a cornhole tournament.
That big backswing. Both players have a big backswing. Talk about a difference between these two and James Baldwin we saw in the game earlier, who doesn't have a backswing.
No, not at all. Oh, he didn't have less
So
off.
aggressive.
Oh, you can see Jordan trying to push those in.